Oh my God, honey, that was such a good night. Amazing movie. Yeah, man, it was a good night still, you know? The only thing was the price of that popcorn, yo. That was extortionate. What kind of thing that? If that popcorn can wipe my body and change my oil. I know, tell me about it, right? You hear that? Baby, you're the man, go check it out now. Huh? Me? Yeah. Check. Me. Baby. Baby?